Hey everybody, this is Kaiju Hunter. I'm joined by my brother, the real Reptrode, and today we are playing the Ultimate Chicken Horse.
Yeah, we are.
You gotta pick something, man. Alright, so... Alright.
I don't know what that thing does.
Okay, yeah.
Ew.
Right there. That is jump.
Let's see what you do.
Oh,
You're
here
going
we go.
first.
Oh no! Oh, you.
Oh, I died too.
I don't think it's doable yet.
I thought my fan was gonna help me.
And maybe if you moved it just a tiny bit. Oh, it makes paper airplanes?
It's a robot that
I want it.
things. Oh, you stole my thing.
It makes paper airplanes. I'm gonna put it right here. I wonder if we can ride on the paper airplanes.
I'm gonna put that right.
Alright. Oh, we get to do something else?
This one?
Alright. You can rotate it too, by the way. Okay, so does that...
I don't want to rotate it.
Does he make paper airplanes?
I think they might be things that
no.
hurt you.
But there's...
Oh, no.
Oh, that got me.
It's not. You're dead. Oh, I didn't know that broke.
You're dead too.
I didn't realize that broke.
Alright.
No winners again.
Ooh, coin.
Again. Making a nice staircase. Oh, that thing like broke all the way.
Oh, you can ride it.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, that
No!
it didn't like go anywhere, and I'm dead. You're dead as well.
Ah! I'm trying so hard. Yeah.
You're dead.
Oh.
We'll never get there.
I mean, that's the whole point of the game, though, is to make it more difficult. Haha!
I'm sure that's not too easy. Let's make it a little harder. Go right ahead, Bubby. Go right for it, Bubbers.
Oh no! You did it! Oh, you jagwagon.
I
Nice.
did it. Oh wow! Looks like I'm halfway to
I
win,
guess so.
brother. Sheesh.
I can't even get over there, and yet I'm doing this.
Bok, bok, bok. Oh no! You used my thing against me!
I didn't grab the coin, but I gave you a good panic attack.
You used my stairs against
I did.
me.
Ooh, I like that. I want the punchy glove.
Oh, I see.
You can't make it too easy now. Oh, jeez, and we both died?
I didn't, apparently. No winners?
No, but it's...
How about... Oh.
More stairs. More stairs, he says. That'll ruin the entire stage.
Does it fall?
I don't know. No, it'll just blow up the area. So you'll destroy a whole bunch of stuff is what it is.
Well, I just wasted it. What?
Oh, you got underdog.
Dumb.
Alright, what we got? That one's fun. I like that one. Alright, I'd like to see you get over that one.
Who said I'm getting over it?
Why don't you run, buddy? Run for it.
See ya, brother.
Bye.
Oh.
There's no way I'm gonna make it. Woo! This is getting a little scary. There's the coin.
Good day.
Yeah, no, that's it's a little bit dangerous there. All right, what else do we got? Okay. Well, that took care of that problem. Alright. Ooh, I like this.
What is that?
A sticky rotating wheel. So it's a block that rotates, but it's sticky on two sides. Alright. Oh man. Oh, that's so cool. Nice lever you made there, buddy. Look at that.
You're welcome. Now you can't get past it. You're done, though.
And I took the coin with me.
Get out of here.
Three turns left.
3 turns left. Uh-oh.
You're taking too long, boy.
Boom. Oh,
We
what?
both grabbed it at the same time? Very interesting. Alright. That's the way you want it to be.
Get out of my way.
Nah. Oh, nice.
Done.
Oh, that was it wasn't considered
cooked,
too easy. Okay.
What's that guy?
The flower punches.
That had nothing to do with anything. Oh yeah, the hockey puck. What's this? I'm just gonna do exactly what I did last time. It's boring and I'm gonna do it and you can't stop me.
Oh!
Haha!
Too easy, no points except for coins.
Too easy.
Last turn.
Extra bounce. gonna go over there. You can
Yes,
run?
you can. But can you dodge the puncher?
Psych!
No, you beat me! Oh, you jackwagon! You're the ultimate chicken.
I'm the ultimate chicken.
Alright.
And look at my little
I
chicken
know, right?
dance.
Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Did we get anything?
I don't know what you did, but we didn't want to do it. Do what?
Alright, let's try the farm.
Farm. The farm.
Yee her. Go. Alright.
Ooh. I'm gonna put it there.
Oh! Yeah, I like
Ooh.
that one. Let me just go ahead and... Alright, so how are we supposed to make this, Dylan? Oh, you jackwagon!
Yeah. Too easy.
You still got the coin points. Alright, fine.
Mine was hard.
Oh.
Is that like a
It is.
teleporter?
Oh,
There we go. Woo! I'm dead.
okay, I see how to do it now. It's only going to be doable if you can hit the big arm right when the door opens. Because it gives you enough momentum to be able to get up there. That's the only way I'd be able to do it, is you have to do it like that. Oh. Yummy. Okay. Yeah.
But I guess I don't die down there. It's gonna give you a too,
Do it.
that's gonna give you the too easy.
That's gonna give me the too easy. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't give me the too easy.
Cause I died. Oh no, that's gonna make it too easy.
Well, how do you get to it? All right. Let's see you get to it now. The permanent stuck. Oh, do it, do it.
Yeah, and I got a coin.
Ah,
buddy.
but so did I.
Oh,
That
you got
was
a
too
coin,
easy,
too.
it says. All right. Time to make it not too easy. Oh, I love this. Whew. What kind of psycho? No! Okay, go get it. Let's see.
All right.
You should have waited for the buzzsaw.
You're the one that put a black hole there.
I mean, you made it too easy, so I made it harder. All right, I'll make it not that hard anymore. Hold on. All right. I like this. This I like. It's a sucker punch plan. All right. What? Oh no, don't get squished! Don't die!
Did you get squished?
You can.
How'd you win?
I don't know. The door was too close to the... you can get smashed. You can. Get out of there. Get out of there. You can make it. Don't get... Oh.
That was dumb.
I don't know how that worked. It just kind of sucked me in. Oh.
How did you?
Because you died. Hey, is that another teleporter?
How does this work?
Oh, it's a big swinging... It's a wrecking ball, dude. Yeah.
It looks like it's got a chain at the end of it.
Bees, careful. Oh, snap. And now I died. Oh.
Oh, I died too.
All right. This one's pretty tough now.
No wieners.
No
points.
weenies.
No wieners, no points.
I'm gonna put it up here too. It's got to be on something to make it sticky. Oh.
Ha! I grabbed the coin.
Sucker punch. Plant. No, I'm trapped in internal destruction. The destruction. It's infinite. No! I almost made it.
You're dead.
So are you. Oh, but you made it to the goal. Alright, alright. What do we got? What are you doing taking that?
Take something.
What are you doing? What are you doing? How could you? You monster.
That's right, brother.
You monster frisbee.
I took what I want. I takes what I want.
Well, I do what I want. What I does what I did. Alright. Go, make it. Oh, nope, you're dead.
Oh,
Did a great job.
I could have made it.
No, it's doable. It's just...
No points, no
It's
wieners.
just so... The timing has to be so impeccable.
Only 3 turns left.
Alright. You gonna blow something else up? You trying to ruin everything?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there.
Alright. What?
What?
I
What?
lived. Ah, it said it was too easy. How was that too
My guy
easy?
jumped up too.
That's insane. There's no way that's too easy. Wait, what? Okay.
Ooh, stairs. Nice.
The sticky is pretty cool. I gotta admit, that's cool.
Oh. Bleh.
Got me.
You don't want to put those spikes there, punk.
No points, no weenies.
No wieners, no points.
Last turn. You think you got this, boy? Alright, no more fans.
Now it's gonna be too easy.
Well, it's the last turn.
Oh, I wanted that. Oh well.
This is just pure death. Wait, are you gonna make it rotate? Yo, what?
Oh,
Look at what you've done! You absolute madman.
oh, I died.
Oh, but you live.
Oh no, I didn't die.
I still win though. I'm the ultimate raccoon. And you're just a subpar human beta male.
Sheesh.
Alright, that was our episode. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah, it was boring.
Yeah, I think it was alright. Bye.
Bye.